Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you something really unique. Like, have you actually tried using banana peel before? Like the peel of the banana. I'm actually going to be showing you all of this in details. But before I go forward, how are you doing and how is your day? Now if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now in this banana peel there are full combo pack in it that helps your skin so well. I'm gonna be showing them to you, like, you know, the normal lazy man style and the real deal in this, and this is gonna be superb. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe. Now let's go. Now the amazing banana remedy. Have you actually tried using banana peel on your skin? Man, this is great. Like, I've actually tried it before and it was superb. Okay, so what you're going to do is to grab a very ripe banana. Yeah, really ripe, and then you're going to peel it off. And see how that is. It's actually super ripe. So we're going to be needing the banana meat itself. And then we're equally going to be needing the banana peel. And then we're going to be turning that into a bowl. That is very smooth. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be needing sugar. Now for you to have that very smooth, glowing and really succulent skin, you'll be needing sugar, guys. Okay, so sugar is a great ingredient that scrub out dead skin cells. It makes your skin really smooth and it cleans your pores. Now when your pores are clean, your skin is going to be healthy. Yeah, so what we'll do now is that we would be turning that into this, and then we stir it. Don't stir too much so that the sugar particles are still going to be let in for us to make use of. Okay, so we're equally going to be needing some potato, and in this we're going to be peeling our potato. Going to be slicing the potato. Putting just a little water to enable us blend this together. Now after blending this, Then we're going to be turning it into the mix, and we'll stir it all together. Okay, so we're equally going to be needing some yogurt. Okay, this is actually yogurt. Okay, now we're going to be putting some yogurt because yogurt contains some vitamin E, lactic acid. Now this acid helps to keep the skin, maintain the skin texture, and makes you look super young, healthy, and glowing equally. Yeah. Okay, so after doing that, the last ingredient which we need so well is tomato. And tomato is great for the skin. It helps to make your skin look super young, removing unwanted hair. We ladies do not actually want our skin to be hairy, okay, so that it could actually reveal the beauty of the skin. Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting that into the blend, and then we're gonna blend this all out. And after doing that, then we'll turn everything into this bowl, and then we'll mix it properly, so that when we apply it on our face, it's gonna be really super. Now this is amazing. You can actually do this and then you store it in your fridge, so you can apply it every day for at least 5 days to 1 week. So let's go apply this, and I'm so excited to try this out. Okay, so this is my banana, and this is actually for a lazy man. I'm actually going to be showing you the real deal, which I've actually already mixed for you. So this is the banana peel, and this is how it is here. Now when you apply it onto your face, all of this is not going to like touch your face. That is why you need this whole goodness. Yeah, because I know this is actually very good too, but you need the full goodness of this. Yeah, so when you apply like this, all of the goodness is not going to be on your face, okay, although there are still some that are going to be on your face, which is not all of the vitamins. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you the ideal thing for you to do here. Okay, now after which you apply this particular one that I've shown you, this is actually really cooling. Now you have to refrigerate it, okay? That's when you know all of the full benefits and all of the goodness. Okay, so when you apply the full thing, then you use this one now to scrub it on. That's the way to go. That's actually the right thing to do when you're using banana peel. Okay, now you notice that now you can see all of this. Notice that all of the goodness is going to be deposited on your skin, and your skin is going to begin to glow really well, and you are going to begin to love this goodness really well. Yeah, so now you have to leave this on your skin for at least 3 minutes. Okay, so now after which and you can rub this over your skin, and after you apply this on your skin, then you can hold on for at least 3 to 4 minutes, and all of the goodness is going to get into your skin, and your skin is going to begin to get really glowing and really beautiful. Yeah, so this is actually really beautiful, and I'm loving it. So that's it. And I would advise, just like I said initially, to use the complete combo pack, and then you can use the banana peel to just scrub. Now all of those clog pores that you have, all of those age problems that you have, it's gonna be dissolved, and your skin is going to really glow and shine. Yeah, okay, so that's it. If you do find this video interesting, please give me a like, subscribe and share, and I will see you again. Bye.